In this lecture, we'll take one numerical on differential equations. Find the natural response of the system described by the differential equation d square y of t by dt square plus 3 dy of t by dt plus 2y of t is equal to x of t plus dx of t by dt, where the initial conditions are y of 0 is equal to 0 and first derivative of y of t at t equal to 0 is 1. So here we supposed to calculate the natural response of the system, that is yn of t. We supposed to calculate the natural response of the system, that is yn of t. We know that natural response is response of the system when input is 0, that is input x of t is equal to 0, and we supposed to consider only initial conditions. So the given differential equation is d square y of t by dt square plus dy of t by dt plus 2y of t is equal to 0. Because the input x of t is 0, therefore the right hand side term will become 0. So now we'll try to write the characteristic equation. With the help of characteristic equation, we can find the roots. To obtain characteristic equation, replace d power k y of t by dt power k by r power k. Now with respect to the given equation, here k value is 2 here, that is d square y of t by dt square will be r power 2, that is nothing but r square, plus 3 is constant, this will become r, plus here it will become 2 as k is 0 in this case. So r power 0 is 1 is equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation. Now we'll try to find the roots of this characteristic equation. Now we'll try to find the roots of this characteristic equation, that is here the coefficient a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to r is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So therefore now I can write r is equal to minus b plus or minus under root, here b is b square, that is 9, minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 1 divided by 2 into 1, which is nothing but, so here c value is 2, so this will be 2, that is nothing but minus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 8, that is 1 divided by 2. So here we'll get two roots, that is r1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. This is one root. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 2, that is r2 equal to minus 2 is another root. So here we can observe that both the roots are real and distinct. That is both the roots are different and both the roots are real. That is here roots are real and distinct. Distinct means both are different, both are not same. Now let's find the natural response of the system. That is natural response of the system is given by, in general we can write it as c1 e power r1 t plus c2 e power r2 This is the general form of natural response of the system. Now let's substitute the values. Therefore, yn of t is equal to c1 e power, the first root is minus 1, that is minus t, plus c2 e power, the second root is minus 2, that is minus 2t. We'll call it as equation number 1. Now we'll try to find the constants, that is C1 and C2. Once if we find C1 and C2, we can write the natural response of the system, that is Yn of t. So the initial conditions are given, that is y of 0 is equal to 0. The initial conditions are that is one is y of 0 is equal to 0. So here we'll substitute 0 in equation number. Therefore, put y of 0 equal to 0 in equation 1. So now I can represent it as yn of t is 0 here. So its value is 0, that is 0 equal to c1 e power minus t. Here my t value is 0. So it will be 0 plus c2 e power 0. So it can be represented as 0 equal to c1 plus c2. We'll call it as equation number 2. Another initial condition is given, that is dy of t by dt for t equal to 0, its value is 1. So now we'll try to take the first differentiation of yn of t, that is differentiate equation 1. So we can write it as d by dt yn of t is equal to minus c1 e power minus t minus 2 c2 e power minus 2t. So now in this equation we'll substitute the initial conditions, that is dy of t by dt. At t equal to 0, its value is 1. So here at t equal to 0, let this value is 1 is equal to minus c1 e power t equal to 0, that is this is 0, plus that is minus 2 c2 e power 0, that is nothing but 1 is equal to minus c1 minus 2 c2. We'll call it as equation number 3. So now solving equation 2 and 3, we will get c2 equal to minus 1 and e power minus 2t. So thus this is the natural response of the given differential equation. Yn of t is equal to e power minus t minus e power minus 2t. Thank you for watching.